Hi, this is Cousin Russ. I'm going to give a demonstration of an observation I had in the Web Search Workspace. I don't normally use this feature this way, but I was given a demonstration at the recent Family uh, Federation of Genealogical Societies, FGS, conference in Pittsburgh. Somebody asked me a question, and I thought I would share my experience with you. Normally, when I'm doing some research, I will work with hints. And this gentleman has a hint, and he's got 11 Ancestry.com hints. And I would normally go there and I would look at my results. But for this demonstration and my observation, I want to point out a couple things here. The trick for me was to look at the address bar and see that there is text there, but it's very light. That's a hint of what you can put there. Like other screens, you'll be prompted or give a hint of what can be put in that space. Normally, in the past, if I were going to do what I'm doing now, I would click on this browser option and open in a new window. That's what I normally would do. I have two monitors, so that would open up my default browser on a second monitor, and I can do my research from there. But I only had one monitor when I was in Pittsburgh. So I'm going to do a new search because I'm going to manually search for the person whose data I have in the lower left-hand corner. That's the person that I selected. And I can do a search from here. Now, what it brought in his name, and he brought in his birth year and death year. And I'm going to do a search. Now, if you're an Ancestry searcher, you know about the sliders. Here's my observation. I would normally click on that second button because I really want plus or minus 2 years. You notice that the slider did not move. That's how I saw the problem that I am demonstrating with you. This tells me that what we're looking at in this workspace, the way I came into it, I'm looking at not the Ancestry search screen that we have seen in the past. This is something different, and I don't know what it is, and it doesn't matter. But I noticed that I could not click on one of those buttons. By the way, this problem has been reported, so don't get on me about that. I'm going to show you what I can do, though, to get around, if this is a problem, to get around it. I'm going to go up here in the address bar. Remember, I had a hint. So my hint is to type in Ancestry.com. So I'm now taken to the real website on Ancestry, and I can do a search, all collections. And I'm back to the same search screen, but you see that the address bar is not, the text there is not faint, it's real. And I'm going to put in the same information. Learn how to spell. Now, remember that the data is still down in the data that I need for this search is still down in the lower left-hand corner. And to duplicate what was on the other screen, I'm going to put in the birth year 1744, and I'm going to put in the death year of 1822. And now I'm going to do a search. Now, I'm going to click on that plus or minus 2 years, and the slider moved as expected. So my purpose is to show you a different experience of what someone came to me and we were talking about the sliders and from within Family Tree Maker. And I'm just saying, from the same screen, you can get to the same place, but on the website, not in what were presented in the Web Search Workspace. I don't know what's right or wrong with it. I just know that the way I got the sliders to work, the way I expected them to work, is by typing in Ancestry.com in the address bar. I hope that helps you. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comments for the blog or in the Google Plus community. Thank you very much. Have a great day.